everyone, myself Dr Ishita Mukerji and I'm a senior psychologist with Kaleidoscope, which is a mental wellness center. And today we're going to talk about how to talk to a friend who is in depression. Well, many a times we do face a situation when we notice the change in the behavior of a dear friend, and we might experience that he or she might be feeling low or unhappy for longer periods without any clear reason. So it is important to look for more such signs and symptoms to understand if our friend is struggling with depression. And it is quite difficult to then know exactly how to offer help to someone who is dealing with depression. So trust me, the thought of being there for someone who's dealing with depression is a great deal in itself. And moreover, a strong friendship can itself help heal a person's thinking habit and leave a positive impact on how their brain functions, in turn helping them gain clarity into their situation. And this further helps them in building up mental resilience and gives encouragement to face and overcome their cause of distress. We know that a true friendship is all about supporting each other in good and bad times. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Now let's talk about the objectives. As a friend, we have to support the problem and not fix the problem. We must understand that the idea here is not to fix their problems or tell them what to do. The most crucial step is to listen them well, as this helps them process their pain and overcome the feeling of being alone. Next, you must acknowledge their pain and suffering as you try to understand their perspective on things troubling them, so that this compassionate gesture will validate their experiences, and moreover, this can help them see the problems in a new light and begin to resolve their inner conflicts and issues themselves. Also, it's very important to remember these tips as a guide when trying to help a friend who's actually having depression. Learn about what your friend is going through. The first step in helping your friend is to talk to your friend and understand what they feel and how they feel in the moment, and show respect for their feelings, as compassion and understanding can go a long way. Offer a safe space to express feeling. Keep conveying that you're open for a conversation on anything and everything he or she would like to talk about. This will give them a sense of having a safe space to freely talk about their true feelings and emotions. Help them in finding support. Talk freely about the professional support options that are available these days and discuss the exact process of getting them enrolled. Let them know that it's completely okay to visit a therapist. Simple steps like booking an appointment for them or offering to join them for a session can be of a great help and encouraging factor in the entire process. Celebrate their successes. It is very hard for a person in depression to take even the smallest of step towards their own well-being. You must congratulate them every time they make an effort and make them feel proud of their actions. Remind them that they are strong. The feeling of worthlessness makes it very difficult for them to have clear communications in all the relationships. It is vital to keep reminding them of their strengths by using some concrete examples of a time in their lives when they exemplified courage, stamina, and perseverance. Talk about their past accomplishments to bolster their confidence and encourage them on the path of healing. Let them know they won't always feel this way. The hardest job for you is to instill hope again in situations and have a belief that they will get better. You need to be a constant reminder for them that is not permanent, and like other illnesses, it is just a phase, and that this phase shall pass too. Spend some time with them. Remember that sometimes they'll just want to be left alone, and that's okay too. However, do keep a check on them regularly. Drop a message to let them know you are there, and sometime you can plan to do fun activities together that you have always enjoyed to do in the past. Practice self-care. Spending a lot of time with a loved one who has depression can take an emotional toll on yourself. So just define your limits around such difficult emotions and ensure you take time to recharge yourself. Hope this guide helps you tackle situations in a better armed manner in case you find a loved one who might be going through anxiety, depression issues. Let us be a little more alert and acknowledge the feelings of our friends and offer help in time.